Hi everybody, it's Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we are going to make these super fun Super Mario Brothers cupcakes. I have these awesome sprinkles by Sprinklepop, and they're all decorated completely in buttercream. And let's begin because this is super fun. I use these silicone half dome molds, and you can use these either for baking or you can use them for those hot chocolate bombs. But I'm going to pipe the buttercream directly into this. And I kind of just pipe it around. You want it no air bubbles in it. So what I'm going to do is when I flip over the cupcake, I'm going to press it in. I'm going to kind of wiggle it around when I press it in to make sure I get out some of those air bubbles. Then I'm going to use it with the green as well. And the gel food coloring I use is Americolor, and I use Super Red for the red and Forest Green for the green. And Americolor is one of those only gel food colorings that I know that actually get it the color and consistency that I want with my buttercream. So that's why I use Americolor. I'm gonna pop them in the freezer for 30 minutes, and that'll get them nice and hard so that I'll slowly peel this out. I kind of flip them over so that they're all this side up, and then I just press it from one side and slowly peel it out, and they come out really cute. So you've seen me do lots of different things with buttercream when it comes to silicone molds and stuff. You can check those out on my channel too, and those are super fun. This tip is the number 10. It's a round tip, about a medium-sized round tip. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pipe some dots so that these look like those cute little red mushrooms. And those are just absolutely adorable little mushroom cupcakes. And then we're gonna grab one of these green ones, and I'm gonna make what looks like a Bowser shell with these. And for Bowser shell, I'm just gonna pipe a ring of white buttercream right around the entire outside. And just gonna spin my cupcake as I do that and consistently have pressure on my bag, so I pipe all the way around. Oop, and get that little area there. Make sure we don't have any green showing through on this nice little stripe here. And then we're gonna just pipe and then continue the pressure as we pull away so it makes kind of a spike, and then release the pressure and keep pulling, and that just makes these lovely little buttercream spikes. So it's pretty easy for both these mushroom and the Bowser shell. All you need is those silicone molds, buttercream, and the number 10 piping tip, or really just a round piping tip that is going to meet your needs here. And then Sprinklepop had these adorable Mario sprinkles on their website, and I fell in love with these because you've got these cute little mushroom guys, and these are like hardened icing, and then we have like a wafer paper, edible printer ink, which are super cute because then they have the crown that looks just like Peach's crown, and these little drain pipes, so it's all edible, and because they're made out of that wafer paper. And here I'm going to use a 124 tip, and I'm going to just pipe a rosette starting in the middle, and then pipe and go right around that middle, and then keep pulling away. And then I have my little rosette. Go ahead and put one of those hard icing mushrooms there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of the sprinkles that come in there. They have these nice little round balls and everything. And I fell in love with these sprinkles. I have a sprinkle problem. I keep seeing sprinkles and I have to buy more sprinkles, and then I have so many sprinkles in my cupboard. I have a sprinkle problem for sure, because these are just adorable. And all the buttercream that I used for this tutorial, both for the swirl and for the mushrooms and Bowser, is my American buttercream recipe, which is on my channel. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next exciting cupcake adventure we have here.